What do all these companies have in common? They all use SQL. What is SQL? SQL is the language of databases. If you have a website, it is likely running on a database that uses SQL. According to StackOverflow, SQL is the third most popular language, just after JavaScript and HTML. In fact, here at 1 Month, we teach HTML, JavaScript, Python, and SQL as the foundational languages that you need to know to be a developer. The two most popular reasons to learn SQL are for web and app development, making websites, making iPhone apps, and for data analytics, looking at large amounts of data and querying through it to look for patterns, look for stories, look for answers. In this 1 month course, you will learn how to master SQL in just 30 days. You will learn when and why it's best to use SQL, how to import and export large data sets, as well as over 20 of the basic SQL commands: select, where, order by, and joins. I'll also show you how to set up a SQL database from scratch. We'll do it together step by step. We'll look at many popular sites out there like Facebook, WordPress, Shopify, and talk about how they designed their SQL databases so that you can extract some lessons and bring that to your own project and for your clients. And we'll work through a bunch of fun projects that you will have experience using the actual tools developers use to build databases and query through data. And there'll also be some SQL jokes. As a web developer for over 10 years, I've used SQL in just about every project I've ever launched. And SQL is not just for web developers. Business analysts, entrepreneurs, journalists, and MBAs. MBAs are learning SQL, actually so much so that Columbia Business School named SQL, as well as with Python and R, the new languages of business. SQL is so powerful, and it's really one of these languages I think just about everybody should learn. If you have any questions before you get started, just let us know. Myself and the team here at 1 Month are here to help. I'm super excited to bring you this SQL course here at 1 Month, and I hope to see you inside.